Managing a cleaning business shouldn't feel like juggling fire. But when you're handling everything manually, leads, quotes, scheduling, follow-ups, reminders, client notes, it's no surprise that things slip through the cracks. It's not that you're disorganized. You're just trying to run the business and do the actual work at the same time. That's where systems make the difference. Go High Level is a platform built to manage small businesses from one place. It handles your CRM, booking, reminders, automation, and client follow-up, all under one login. At WebEye, we took that power and simplified it even further. We built a complete cleaning business management system on top of Go High Level. Already wired, already written, already ready to run. The system takes care of lead capture. It sends out quotes, it books the job, it reminds the client, and it follows up after the work is done, all without you remembering a thing. You don't need to duct tape 5 tools together. You don't need to figure out automation logic. You just plug it in and go. If you're ready to manage your business without losing your mind, click the link in the description and access the WebEye system built on Go High Level.